Gobyerno at pribadong sektor magtutulungan para maisakatuparan ng isang proyekto sa Cebu na magpapabuti hindi lang sa daloy ng transportasyon at kalakalan, kundi maging sa sektor ng turismo. Kung ano yan, silipin sa sentro ng balita ni Jessie Atienza ng PTV Cebu.
Mainit ang naging pagtanggap ng mga opisyal ng Lapu-Lapu City Government sa pangunguna ni Mayor Jonard Acuntian sa chairman ng MVP Group of Companies na si Manny Pangilinan na dumayo sa Cebu para sa opisyal na paglagda ng MOU sa pagitan ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Lapu-Lapu City at ng Metro Pacific Tollway Company para sa pagpapatayo ng Lapu-Lapu Expressway. Isang proyektong naglalayong makapagbigay ng alternatibong ruta mula sa mainland Cebu papunta sa Mactan Cebu International Airport.
Travelers may no longer fear of missing their flight. The LELEX connects CCLEX straight to the airport with a travel time of only 12 to 16 minutes, more or less. From CCLEX entry point near SMC site to Mactan Cebu International Airport. Tourists who wish to explore the wonders beyond the city of Lapu-Lapu may find LELEX a convenient road in exploring the rest of Cebu.
Isa sa katuparan ito sa pamamagitan ng public-private partnership na pangungunahan ng MPTC.
Well, we want to start construction as soon as possible, no? So that we can improve access to the CCLEX bridge as soon as practicable. No? So we should start breaking ground in the next few months. Well, certainly increase the traffic on the bridge and improve the access from the airport to the city. So there'll be greater interaction between the city of Cebu and other parts of Cebu province and Mactan itself.
Ayon sa Department of Transportation, malaki ang naitutulong ng pagtutulungan ng gobyerno at pribadong sektor para mapabuti ang pamumuhay ng mga Pilipino.
That's why the President, rightly so, is pushing for more public-private partnerships, especially for operations and maintenance. No? Kaya when the President spoke to me, he really emphasized that PPP is critical to not only building new infrastructure, but properly maintaining and operating existing ones.
Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jessie Atienza para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.